Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. I've been running around like crazy today, starting to prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my son's 11th birthday. So, it's a little bit hectic and I still need to get dinner on the table tonight. So, I decided just to go ahead and make a slow cooker meal. Now, this is a special slow cooker meal because I haven't tried it before and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. It's called Marry Me Meatballs in the slow cooker. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this slow cooker meal. I'm going to serve these meatballs on some rice that I'm going to cook in the rice cooker. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a slow cooker meal and running around and trying to get everything sorted for my little boy's special 11th birthday. He is so excited and we're going to wake him up tomorrow morning with presents and singing, and everybody's going to be happy. And he's going to take some lollies to school as well for all his friends in his class. So that's going to make everybody happy. I will be adding the recipe for the Marry Me meatballs in the slow cooker to the description box down below if you want to follow along. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's start cooking. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are frozen meatballs, fresh cream, beef broth, garlic powder, dried basil, sun-dried tomatoes, and some cornstarch. I will put the full recipe in the description box down below. I start off by adding a bag of frozen meatballs. Now I'm adding 2 cups of beef broth. I'm adding 1 cup of fresh cream. I add a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Give it a stir just to mix it through. I'm going to set the slow cooker to cook on low for 7 hours so it can cook all day long, and at the end of the day we will come back to a lovely meal. I'm going to serve these Marry Me meatballs on top of rice, so I'm preparing some rice in my rice cooker. To see the video on how to prepare rice in your rice cooker, I will link it in the end of this video. So stick to the end and then you can just click on that video to see how to use the rice cooker. I first rinse the rice and then place it into the rice cooker pot. I then add the water and a bit of salt. Then I mix it through and place the inner pot inside the rice cooker. I place the lid on the rice cooker and switch it to cook. I think dinner is ready, but everyone's still busy doing their own thing. My husband's not home yet after work, so we're waiting on him, and my son is playing around on his computer. But I am dying to try this Marry Me meatballs, so I'm going to do a taste test. This sauce looks so creamy and delicious. It's gonna make the best gravy. It smells wonderful. It looks delicious and creamy. I can't wait just to try one. Just put a little bit of sauce on it, just a little bit so I can taste it. This is my taste test. After such a busy day, I definitely get to taste it first. I think it will be a little bit hot because it just came from the slow cooker. It's such a delicious, rich, beefy flavor, and you can even taste the sun-dried tomatoes in the sauce. So I would say this is a winner. I definitely like it. Serve your Marry Me meatballs and the sauce on top of rice with a side salad. This is a healthy meal and oh so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you for joining me today and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you give it a go making some Marry Me meatballs in the slow cooker. It's really fun and really delicious, and everyone was happy with the end results. This is all I've got for you today. So as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.